Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Study with Ms.Linh, your cozy space to learn real-life English through friendly conversations.
Hello, my dear students and friends. I'm Miss Lynn, and today we're going to talk about something very close to our hearts, our family.
That's right. We'll learn how to introduce our family members in English and how to talk about them naturally.
Yes, this topic is perfect for daily conversations. You'll learn to say sentences like, "This is my father," "She's my sister," and much more.
So if you've ever wanted to talk about your family in English, today's your lesson.
Exactly. Grab your notebook, get ready to repeat after us, and let's begin.
Let's start with the most common family words: father, dad, mother, mom, brother, sister, parents, children.
So I can say, this is my mother, or he's my brother, right?
Exactly. That's the best way to introduce your family. And don't forget pronunciation. Father, fa-ther, mother, ma-ther.
Got it. This is my father. He's a teacher.
Perfect, Ryan. That's a full and natural sentence. Now, let's practice talking about your family. You can say, I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family. My parents live in the countryside.
Oh, I can say, there are 5 people in my family. My father, my mother, my sister, my brother, and me.
Exactly. And if you want to talk about your family's jobs, you can say, my mom is a nurse. My dad works in an office.
That's so useful.
Sometimes we want to talk about our big family, not just parents and siblings.
Like grandparents, cousins, and so on?
Yes, here are some common ones: grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin.
So I can say, my uncle lives in London, or I visit my grandparents every weekend.
Perfect. Those are beautiful sentences. They show both grammar and love for family.
How about describing what your family is like?
That's a great question. You can use adjectives like, my mother is kind and patient. My father is funny and hardworking. My brother is quiet but very smart.
So I can say my sister is cheerful and helpful.
Exactly, Ryan. You can mix adjectives to describe each person. That's how you make your English sound natural. Great job today, everyone. Now you can introduce your family and describe them with confidence.
Yes, we learned how to say who's who, from parents and siblings to grandparents and cousins.
Exactly. And remember, family is not just about words. It's about love and connection.
That's beautiful, Miss Lynn.
Thank you, Ryan. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Study with Miss Lynn so we can keep learning English together, one family story at a time.
See you next time.